learn something new. So before we learn with the sentence, always the subject, verb, object, right? For example, how to say I want coffee? Yes. So 我要咖啡。And then if it's a question, yeah. So 你要咖啡吗 right? Or say 你要不要咖啡 right? Yes. Okay. So today let's learn a new word for the question. Before we learn one question word is 什么 right? What? For example, say what do you want? How to say? What do you want? Yes, because it's always so that's why I say 你要什么？Then answer 我要咖啡 right? So if answer example say 我要咖啡 okay. This before we learn. If you have time, for example say I want coffee on Sunday. Then how to say? Yeah, put 星期天 here, right? Yeah. Then you say 星期天我要咖啡 right? But other, everything the same, keeps the same order. So that's before we learn if question word 什么 So because in this situation 什么 still is object. That's why we keep the same. So today we learn one new word for who. So it's 谁 means who. So 谁 is who. Then how to make sentence? Try. So first I don't explain anything. So you try, okay? Just one thing. So still follow the same structure. Always is subject, verb, object. Okay? So 谁 means who. Okay, now you try to make example to show me. Okay? Use who. Yes, try.
What's the meaning of 谁?
No verb. Try again.
What's the meaning of 是谁?
So you want to say, who is my friend? Correct. Yes. So 我的朋友是谁? So means who is my friend? Actually, my friend is who. So this one is a little bit tricky. Actually, you can say 谁是我的朋友? You also can say 我的朋友是谁? The correct one should say 谁是我的朋友 means who is my friend. So 谁是我的朋友? Remember, speak Chinese, use picture. Don't translate. Don't translate English. Now try again. This one fine, not perfect. Okay. Yes. So for example, 他是谁 means he is who. Don't translate because English say who is he. So you will confuse. You will say 谁是他. It's wrong. This is correct. Yes. So, okay. Very good. So I will explain. Look, this one is 谁是你的老师 means 谁是你的老师 Use picture. Okay? Correct. Next one.
你的学生是谁?
你的学生是谁? I think you want to say 谁是你的学生? Yes. So use picture, okay? How? Look, if you want, so ask, for example, I ask her a question. Maybe she's a teacher, for example. If I want to ask who is your student, that's English, but Chinese 是谁是你的学生 Use picture, don't translate. Okay, one more.
你是哪国人？
Yes, correct.
谁要喝咖啡？
Yes. I want this sentence. Look. So, 谁要喝咖啡 Picture. 谁要喝咖啡 So, look. So, it's here. 谁要喝咖啡 Who wants to drink coffee?